So hi, it's me again, Planet Frankie, and today I am going to make a sketch of a jacket I would like to work on, but I have 3 days to work on it. So let me set my timer and see how long I take to work on this jacket. So let's start with the sketching process. I want to sort out through my jeans, guys, the jeans I have here. Hello, we're back again. I took like 30 minutes of today to make the pattern. As you can see here, this is the inspo, this is the jacket, long sleeve, everything attached to each other. Hi, it's me and I'm back again. But let me show you what I have now. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. My space is not big enough to show you guys how big this is. But this is the jacket so far. I made sure to keep most of the details from the jacket, like these buttons. Love it. So we're going to do all this one tomorrow. Hopefully we'll be done by tomorrow or Sunday. Yeah, so we should be done early. And the bows, I didn't forget them. I cut strips from these things. I don't know what they're called, but I'm sure they have names. So these are my bows. This is what we have so far. Let me pack it up. And then I think I didn't show you guys the back. I'll show you the back tomorrow. Yesterday I did no recordings, but I was able to stitch up some parts of the jacket. So let me open it up and show you guys. This is the first side, and this is the other side too. Then the sleeves. So that's it. This is what I have so far. I think that last video I didn't show you guys the back of the jacket. This is the back. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the end of the video, and this is the jeans jacket. Yeah, this is a very interesting project. I wore it today and it was very comforting. Yeah, it was cute. It was a cute look on me as the previous video. The ribbons are the buttons. Love this detail, and the slits at the back, and we have the key details on the bottom of that jeans. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video or you like some of my previous video or my future video, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next week or next time. Okay, bye.